Hello, writers. Today we're going to be taking a look at our vowels, but we're going to do something a little bit different with our vowels today. We're going to be listening and hearing for the long vowel sound. Now, this is kind of new information, a new learning for you. We focused on 5 vowels, okay? Do you remember what they are? Let's find them together on our ABC chart. Which vowels do you remember? A, E, good. I, O, U, and right before we left our classroom, we learned that sometimes that Y is also a vowel. Okay, now when we were learning about vowels, we learned that every single word needs to have at least one vowel. Sometimes it's got more than one, but it must have at least one vowel. Now, the vowel sounds that we have here on our ABC chart are very soft sounds, and they're known as the short vowel sounds. For example, A says ah, it's soft. E says eh. I says eh. O is aw. U says okay, now vowels we've heard in words as we've been sounding them out sometimes say their name. For example, the letter A sometimes in a word says A, like in an ape, okay, an animal, an ape, it's got an A. Instead of, we don't say it's an app, we call it an ape. The A makes the long vowel sound. All right, E, another animal, an eagle, okay, big bird of prey, eagle. We don't say it's an eagle, we call it an eagle. The first letter in the word makes the long E sound. Let's see, I. Oh, a word that uses the long I sound is ice cream. Yeah, we don't call it ice cream, we say ice cream. Good. Oh. Some of you like to go to the beach and play in the ocean. Yeah, that's the long O sound. We don't go and play in the ocean. That would just sound silly. Okay? All right, let's see what else for you. A magical creature, a unicorn. Unicorn begins with the long U sound. We wouldn't call it an unicorn. What's an unicorn? All right, so those long vowel sounds just say the letter's name. Let's see what that's going to look like when we practice in Seesaw. All right, friends, before we get into your Seesaw activity, I found this song that is kind of a perfect fit. It's by the Learning Station. It's called Apples and Bananas, and it uses some of the long vowels in the words.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas.
Now change those sounds to an A. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat
to eat. Apples and bananas.
Now change those A sounds to an E. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas.
Now change those E sounds to an I. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas.
Now change those I sounds to an O. I like to oat. Opals and bananas. I like to oat. Opals and bananas. Your turn.
I like to oat. Opals and bananas. I like to oat. Opals and bananas.
Now change those O sounds to U. I like to oot. Opals and bananas. I like to oot. Opals and bananas. Your turn.
I like to oot. Opals and bananas. I like to oot. Opals and bananas.
Now we're going to change those U sounds and go back to the beginning. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. Your turn.
I like to eat. Apples and bananas. I like to eat. Apples and bananas. And that's the end to our apples and bananas song.
What is
I hope you enjoyed that song. It's kind of silly, isn't it? Who ever heard of a banunu? All right. In Seesaw, you're going to find activity 4.3 ELA, long vowels. Like I said, this is kind of a new concept, but I am confident that you guys have got this. All right. Click Add Response. Find your name and icon. There it is. All right, you're going to grab that move tool, and the three long vowels that we're going to focus on today's activity are A, which will say A, E, which will say E, and the I, which will say I. Good. Long vowels say their name. All right, so we've got a peach, night, team, wave, cake, jeans, bead, frame, pail, mice, pie, and the number 9. Okay, let's start with this first one, peach. Let's say it slowly and listen for the vowel sound, the long vowel sound that is missing from the middle of that word. Each. E. E says its name. Put it under the E. Next one. Let's do the word night. Kind of like Mr. Knight. night, night. I hear I. Let's put it under I. All right, looking for one. Ooh, let's do cake, shall we? Yum, cake. Say it slow. Ache, ache, ache. Put it under the A. As we've done with our other words that we've sorted, you're going to use your T tool or your pencil. Bring your box over here. You're going to type in each word that you've sorted. Whoa, no capitals. Peach, ooh, has that digraph at the end. And night, okay? Once you've typed in all of the words, grab your marker or your highlighter, and you're going to highlight just the vowel that makes the long sound, okay? All right, once you finish page 1, on page 2, you're going to use your move tool to unscramble the sentence. The sentence you want it to read is, can you ride a bike? 5 words. Can, you know that one. Oops. Can you ride another snap word, bike? Now, I don't know if you've noticed this, but it's kind of easy to pick out the first word and the last word because the first word in a sentence always has the capital, and then that last word always has the ending punctuation, so we know that the sentence is finished. All right, underneath in this box, you can use your pencil to write or the T tool to type in, can you ride a bike? Below, in the larger box, I'd like you to record yourself reading the sentence and draw a picture to match it. Click the green check to submit.